The Queen of Mobile represent. I want place, I want part. Glendevan, my forward fam, not sure you know, say could have work.
Asphalt Entertainment.
Tallup. Drink and rave. I wanna just drink and rave, oh yeah.
Inna the party with it.
Oh yeah.
Boy,
I'm feeling it right now. With a few bad bitches right now. We stay high on the weekend and get fucked up with my real friends. Liquor in a buckle, liquor in a cup. Some big tune a play, selector, pull it up, dog. So me not give a fuck about you if you're coming out with your face screw. The worst. Cause me coming off your party, enjoy myself and wind up me body. So if you have a problem, me I beg you solve them. So at this me I tell everybody, I wanna drink, get high, party tonight. Do whatever I like, but fit the better life. I wanna drink tonight, smoke, get high.
Which way on Instagram?
Tallup, the talented one on Instagram. You don't know, say, you can find me on Tallup Official Vivo. Just click the link in my bio, subscribe, and that's what me not true. Big men say I drive on the Tina.
The party me comfy, enjoy myself and feel nice. So put a back up on my table.
Best Life was basically inspired by the rhythm and what Asphalt Entertainment, the producer, wanted, because it's a juggling and it's based on a mobile lifestyle. So he wanted mobile and that rhythm. So I say, alright, what Tallup can come up with Tallup? So I say, you know, say, best life. Because me want to live my best life. You know? Everybody want to live their best life, so why not? So I just come up with the concept and say, you know, say, I feel lit. Me and we just come together and make it work. We got Richie Loop. Him take the voice in and him help me with the writing. A part of it. Big up myself, Richie Loop, for that.
All week me a hunt for the paper, so what is mine could I never be yours.
From the beginning, the real, the unique, the authentic, the real vibes, the energy, the spiritual feeling, the healing. Tallup does offer everything that's Tallup to the world, and I just eat that. Understand?
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.